So in terms of the third website to get a grade 9 in GCSE Maths, and this is Maths Genie. When it comes to Maths Genie, this is the website which, if you guys do not like Seneca Learning and Court Maths, if you don't like that duo partnership, Maths Genie is what that can do everything by itself. When it comes to Maths Genie, the website is free to use. It doesn't require you to sign up. It's something that offers a wide array of resources, and is an opportunity for you guys to take advantage of this website. It's similar to Corporate Maths, and at the same time it's similar to Seneca Learning. When it comes to the next point is the fact that for each section of a topic you can access one or two videos. So when you want to watch a video, it's normally about 15 minutes long on average, but they give you examples on how to answer questions and then give you short tasks to complete to test your knowledge. Maths Genie is something that is very, very useful, and when it comes to its videos, it has its own YouTube channel as well as other things in those channels which can play many of the videos. And when it comes to Maths Genie, there are printable question sheets and booklets to practice for the exam. When it comes to Maths Genie, they have pretty much everything prepared. They know what they're doing, they have experience with these things. And when it comes to the question booklets, you can basically view the fully worked out answers to each question, which are very helpful in understanding the process of solving them. That's how useful these printable exam question sheets and booklets are to practice. Pretty much Maths Genie is a well-verified source, and it's something that has been in the Maths GCSE spectrum for a long time, even it does A-levels as well. It's been here for a very, very good time. And when it comes to the content organised, it's organised by grades. So all of the content is organised by the grade which it corresponds to. So it could be starting from grade 1 and getting progressively harder. And the website also makes it clear that all the content from grade 6 onwards is only for the higher tier, which helps to avoid confusion on what needs to be learned. So that's very, very important. And in terms of the grade 9, grade 8, grade 7, etc., if you can take that lightly, but to test yourselves, if you are able to do a grade 9 question, a grade 9 topic, then that's something that gives you a little bit more courage, a little bit more confidence. But I do urge you to make sure that you're able to do from grade 1 to grade 5 all the topics from there, then move on from grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, because I can guarantee that most students don't realise that if you're able to answer all the questions from grade 1 to grade 5 topics, you should be at least able to get a grade 6, grade 7. A lot of students make that mistake. They want to only learn the grade 9 questions, but the grade 9 questions, you're only going to get 2 or 3 in the whole exam. When it comes to grade 8, you get 3 or 4 or 5. When it comes to grade 7, you get it increases as you go for each grade, and most of the questions are between the 4 to 6 range, so from grade 4 to grade 6. So it's like a spectrum. You can see this it's most of the time it's the average that there are most of. So make sure you be able to answer questions from grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. I would mostly urge you to look from grade 4 to grade 6. Then, after you've been able to master those topics, then go from grade 7 to grade 9. That's more capable of getting that grade 8 to that grade 9 in GCSE Maths. So the content is organised by the grade. That's very, very important, and take the advantage of it to make sure that you've been able to answer all the topics and know which topics you're struggling on. You may find that a grade 9 topic is struggling for you. It doesn't mean that you have to know how to do it. If that means that it's going to waste a lot of your time, whereas you could focus on other topics, doesn't mean you have to spend on that grade 9 question, because you're only going to get one question. And when it comes to the grade 1 questions, that could be the one mark that could be a difference between you getting a grade 9 or grade 8 or grade 7, so on and so forth. So it's important to take advantage of these. And in terms of the website, there are exam papers, tests, predicted papers, walkthrough videos. There's the whole lots when it comes to Maths Genie. It's particular for each exam board, like such as an Excel, OCR, AQA, to help you practice maths in exam-style formats. There are also accessible PDFs to be printed along with the mark schemes. When it comes to the papers, they are produced by Edexcel. When it comes to those Edexcel produced papers, they come with a set of example answers and a walkthrough video for each one as well. So it makes the most out of it. The predicted papers are exam style papers which are also there as well, which can consider previous topics assessed in exams to try and predict possible topics you may be questioned on, as they are released shortly after each exam is set, and their purpose is to help you focus your revision on unseen topics. So at the end of the day, I mentioned this a long time ago when it comes to one of the previous videos, such as the mentality video, all the other videos in my screen, on my channel. The only thing that the teachers can do is really focus their attention, or the people making the exams can focus their attention on what's in the specification. So the teachers can pretty much predict what's going to come up in the exam. If they take the effort, take the time, if you get the first paper, when you get the first paper out and it's a non-calculated paper, you can realise what's going to be tested in the maths calculated paper and the other maths calculated paper, because the people setting the exams have to be fair and accurate, and at the same time it's easier for the teachers to be able to predict. Maths Genie is a well-verified source. It's been here for many, many years. They know what they're doing. I do recommend Maths Genie as an extra resource, or if you do not like the way Seneca is represented and you don't like the way Corporate Maths is represented and how they both go tie and tie with each other, Maths Genie, just for me, just to use, it's only is a very, very good website as well. But everyone is different, so it's important that I have 5 different websites that you must use to get a grade 9 in GCSE Maths, and that's why I've stated Maths Genie as a website that could be more useful for others. I use all these websites and I recommend them all thoroughly. That's why they're in this video.